Here's a 150-word YouTube short script for teaching the multiplication table of 1 for kids up to 12. Have you ever wondered why multiplying by 1 is so easy? Keep watching to uncover the magic of the number 1. Let's start our journey with 1 times 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. Simple, right? Now, let's move on to 1 times 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. Are you noticing a pattern? 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 10 equals 10. 1 times 11 equals 11. And finally, 1 times 12 equals 12. Do you see the magic? When we multiply any number by 1, we get that same number.